Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make Windows 11 faster. First, open the Settings app on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look at the menu on the left side and click on Gaming. Inside the Gaming section, select Game Bar. Here, make sure the Game Bar is disabled. Turning this off can help improve your system performance. After disabling the Game Bar, go back to the Gaming section and select Game Mode. Turn Game Mode on. Enabling Game Mode allows Windows to prioritize your computer resources for the apps or games you are running, which can make your system feel faster. Once that is done, go back to the Settings menu and select Apps from the left-hand menu. In Apps, look for the Startup section. Here, you will see a list of apps that automatically start when Windows boots up. Turn off all unnecessary apps. Disabling startup apps can reduce the time it takes for Windows to start and free up system resources while your computer is running. Next, click on the search bar in Windows and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click the option that appears. This will open the Performance Options window. Here, select the option for Best Performance. This will turn off some of the visual effects, animations, and transparency features that can slow down your computer. Following these adjustments can help you get a smoother and more responsive experience while using Windows 11. Thanks for watching.